Trident 2.
There's Trident.
Classic. What a plane.
I believe so, yeah. Yeah, I believe so, yeah.
And Brooklyn, I think.
Wow.
This must be sort of like what they would call
Oh.
because they've got little different colours and they've got nice little...
We in BA are very proud indeed of this fine new aircraft. It will help us to maintain our
They're a lot bigger than Concorde, aren't
serious recording. You may judge for yourself the vastness of the train.
This is a cool. I like it on this old plane. This is wicked, isn't it?
I always feel like they're gonna move.
Is she gonna come alive? Do you reckon? If that mannequin comes alive, we're out of here. We're running. We're terrified.
Let's go that one.
On to that one next one, can't we? Yeah. On to the next one.
I like the one that's...
Yeah, they used to get pilots to sign their logbooks.
Yeah, I bet they help fly the plane, don't they? Wow. Cool, should we turn around and have a little wander up there? Yeah.
If I was real, that would File expedition.
And they would have brought their dinner out.
Hobby.
Yeah.
Hello.
I don't think it's real.
Come alive.
I don't.
Look, there's a fake baby.
It does, doesn't it?
Oh, they even had like a crib for the babies to sleep in. Wow. This thing's old. This thing's proper old. Look at this. We're actually having such a blast. We're at this air show in Duxford and we are looking through all these old planes. It is amazing. Harvey's having an awesome time, aren't you, Harv?
Yeah.
He's absolutely loving it. He's in his element looking at all these cool planes. Oh, let's have a look at that. What's in there, mate? Oh, is that all places it flew? Wow. Got a ticket, Hobby? Boy? The size of the windows though, they are huge. Let's go on over bridges in the cockpit half. I don't think we can go past the rope. It's actually really low to the ground in comparison with the other planes, but that's cool,
The
isn't it?
cockpit is so high.
It is, the cockpit sits a bit higher.
On this one, you can almost sit in a
We really need a plane, don't we, Half?
Yeah.
Just to go somewhere hot and sunny.
Yeah. Sitting back to face like this.
So cool. Having fun. Next up, Monarch Airlines. We're going on. We're going on. You got the tickets? Got tickets? Needs tickets? Got to fly Oxford. It's amazing.
Oh, look at this, guys. Hurricanes lining up. Are they these all hurricanes? You know, see here, Spitfires, one with a bubble.
Oh, look at all these amazing, amazing World War II planes. So are they about to go, Dave?
Yeah, the hurricanes just taking off now.
monarch crest doesn't change, does it? Over the years. Yeah.
It's a monarch.
Yeah. Wow, this plane. This is quite spacious, isn't it? There's a lot of
There's quite a bit of leg room, a lot more than those these days.
and even again, the windows are pretty big, so it can't have flown very high.
Keep staring at them.
Harvey's freaked out by these mannequin dolls.
Hello. Why is it? It looks like it's actually moving, but it's not.
That's just your eyes playing tricks with you. You
Yeah.
freaked out. So guys, the flying has started. We are going to see some of the planes now. As you saw from them Hurricanes just now, they look so good. What a noise! It's just amazing. So Harvey's just going to casually take us on a little flight in this plane. So me and Harvey are going to fly all these amazing passengers, as you can see, on a lovely flight here today. Harvey, where are you taking us?
To Spain.
Let's go. I've got all these cool instruments that you can hold. That was your rudders, I believe. I think they're the rudders. That's the rudders, isn't it? On the feet.
That's right, yep.
Wow. It's quite a nice little plane.
Yeah, the rudder with your feet. Like the control there is for your ailerons to turn
Okay.
left and right. That's your throttles, the
Yep.
3 engines,
Yep.
and that's to the pitch of the propeller. Now, each propeller blade swivels. Have a look and see how it swivels, and that controls that swiveling.
Oh, cool.
And if by any chance one of the engines stops, they do what they call feathering. So this one stopped, put it down there, and the blade would turn to be against, so it wasn't against the wind.
Okay.
The wind went past the blade, so it wasn't like a brake.
Okay, yeah. Right, should we move on?
Yep.
Yeah.
For military parachuting. Just look at that stack, and they're fighting the wind.
Lovely bigger windows.
Just like
You alright, buddy?
Yeah.
So we're going to flight sim. We'll have some food. This day is This will be very interesting. Harvey's eating his hot dog, chips and curry. No, it's massive.
It's nice.
Chips with curry sauce. Nice. I've gone for the cheeseburger and chips with onion. Amazingly though, this came to like a hot dog, a burger, 2 chips, a bottle of Coke, £25. Like, whoa. Quite expensive. Oh my god. It's a blackbird. Oh my god.
look at the power unit.
Look at this. What a plane. Dude, there's some seriously cool stuff in here. So this hangar we're in now is truly, truly amazing. I'm coming up next to a blackbird, which is like epic. So cool.
I think they must clean that pig.
Just the sheer size of this thing is just immense.
We know that one's a Phantom, don't we? Wow. That's this big one here. That's its tail. Look, you got more, it's not there.
This place is seriously big, isn't it?
Not one going, it's just what the pilot system simulates on. They've come a long way since then.
Although it used a more advanced steel tube fuselage and cancelling the wings, which did not need